What's up everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out. In this video, we're unboxing and showcasing the Smove Flex and the Smove Tablepod. So the Smove Flex has been one of my favorite tripods in the past couple of months because it's very affordable and it's very versatile. The Smove Flex will set you back $44.99, which is very affordable for a tripod that has all these capabilities. And on top of that, its main attractive is that all the legs can flex. So you can bend this tripod to pretty much any shape, wrap it around poles, bend the little legs and make it lower or higher. And not only you can mount your smartphone with the built-in smartphone holder, which is a plus because other tripods might require for you to get an actual grip for your smartphone. This one has it integrated, which is really cool. All you have to do is pretty much pop up the smartphone grip and you'll be able to slide your phone right in there and start recording. On top of that, you could also mount action cameras or even the Smove Mobile itself, which I've actually done in the past in some of the previous Smove Vlog episodes. The Smove Flex also has a level, which is very, very useful because you'll be able to level its ball head. I really like the fact that if for some reason I choose to mount my Smove Flex and let's say a Smove Mobile right on top of it, even if it's like on a pole, on a vertical pole, you could still tilt the head and use the level to make sure everything is straight and you don't have any weird horizontal alignment for your shots. The Smove Flex supports 3 kilograms, which is about 6.5 pounds, maybe a little bit more, which means that not only you can use a smartphone and action cameras, but you could also mount mirrorless cameras and DSLRs with heavy payloads. So this is definitely a very, very useful vlogging tool, especially if you're using any Sony RX100s or any mirrorless cameras that you're mounting microphones and things on top of them. You could totally use this Smove Flex to accommodate any kind of terrain, and I love it. Now on top of all this, the Flex comes with a handy Bluetooth remote. So if you're vlogging or if you're simply setting it up for a shot and you want to be part of it, all you got to do is pair that Bluetooth remote, and it works on both Android and iOS. And that way you'll be able to be part of the shop. I actually visited the Griffith Observatory and I was able to get a couple shots of myself by wrapping around this Smove Flex and my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus on a rail, and I was just simply able to just shoot. And you know, it's really cool. It's very efficient, very affordable. Now next up, the Smove Tablepod. Now the Smove Tablepod has also been on my camera bag for quite some time now. Number one, because of its size. It's very, very minimalistic, smaller than any other tripod I've had, but it supports not only the smartphone or any action camera that I might throw in, but also SLRs as well. Any mirrorless, any DSLRs with heavy lenses can actually work very, very well with it. And the cool thing is that it shares some of the properties of the Smove Flex. The Smove Tablepod will set you back $39.99, and it also supports 3 kilograms, which is about 6.5 pounds. So once again, not only smartphones, action cameras, but also SLRs with heavy lenses. It has a level. It also has a ball head, which allows you to pretty much adjust your camera to the environment. But on top of that, every individual leg extends, so you could get a little bit more elevation, but this adds to the stability of the overall tripod. So if you're using heavy cameras with heavy lenses, you might definitely want to extend those legs. That way you get a little bit better performance. Greatest thing about the whole thing is that if you're vlogging with it as well, you can just simply grab it and go, and you'll be able to just simply use it as a handle, just like the Smove Flex. But if you're not going to be outdoors and stuff like that, the Tablepod is definitely a must-have in your bag. But I want to know what you think. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them down there so we can continue to create relevant content for you. Don't forget to subscribe to Smove and my channel. And once again, thank you so much for sharing your time with me. I'll catch you on the next one.